The rationale behind the protection required at 50 volts and above rule is based on the fact that electrical shock hazards increase significantly at voltages above 50 volts. This rationale is clearly stated in the OSHA General Industry Safety and Health Regulations, specifically 29 CFR 1910.331, which states protection against electric shock shall be provided when equipment and circuits are capable of delivering fault currents at 50 volts root mean square and above, phase to phase and phase to ground, under normal operating conditions. The scientific evidence supporting this rationale is multifaceted. Firstly, at voltages above 50 volts, the human body's resistance to electrical current decreases. This means that at higher voltages, more current can flow through the body for a given level of resistance. Secondly, the higher the voltage, the greater the amount of current that can flow through the body. This increased current flow leads to more severe consequences, including burns, muscle contractions, and even cardiac arrest. Thirdly, the threshold of perception for electrical shock is around 50 volts. Most people will feel a slight tingling sensation at 50 volts and above, serving as a warning of potential electrical hazards. Finally, while the effects of electrical shock can vary depending on the individual and the circumstances, it is generally accepted that 50 volts is a safe cutoff for most situations to prevent serious injury. The protection required at 50 volts and above rule is a general requirement that applies across various industries. However, specific industries may have additional requirements based on the nature of their operations and the unique electrical hazards present. Employers are responsible for evaluating the electrical hazards in their workplaces and implementing appropriate protective measures. These measures may include the use of insulation to prevent contact with energized parts, grounding to provide a safe path for fault current, and other safeguards to minimize the risk of electric shock.